This is how to cut onions like an iron chef. I always start with onions that are halved and peeled, and always cut the top side of the onion, not the root side. The claw grip is important because it holds down the item, and you pick a guide finger to work with the knife, which is held by the pinch grip. The pinch grip is the best hold on the knife. You apply the thumb and index on the blade, you wrap the 3 remaining fingers on the handle, and the knife becomes an extension of your arm. It's a crucial grip because it allows you to be fast and accurate with that sliding cut. You can chop up and down, and that guide finger will help you measure perfect pieces. It's 3 movements. In, 1/4 inch, leaving the root attached. Now I'm going with the ribs 1/4 inch, leaving the root side attached, and then finally with your slicing cut. That's how you get perfect 1/4 inch dice. Practice every single day and soon you'll be cutting like a professional chef.